Hello! In this video, we're going to show you how to combine foliar fertilizers and crop protection products using YaraPlus. You can do this on both the web and mobile apps, but today we'll focus on the mobile app, so you can check mixability in the field, on the go. You can access the Tankmix search directly through shortcuts on the main page. From here, you can either search for a new Tankmix or have a look at your past searches. Let's start by creating a new Tankmix. The catalog will open automatically. Here, you can use the search bar to find a specific product, or apply filters to narrow down your options. If you can't find a product, don't worry, you can add it as a custom product and request a Tankmix test for it. You can select anywhere from 1 to 6 products by ticking the boxes next to them. When you're ready to review your selection, just click Go to Tankmix. And if you accidentally added a product, simply click the bin icon next to it to remove it. Once your products are ready, click See Tankmix Results to view the analysis. You can switch between tabs to see which products are mixable and which are not. Each tab shows the test date, product order, and quantities. For non-Yara products, you can click on a product to see the manufacturer details and active ingredients. If you want a full overview, click See Report to view, print, or download the detailed test report. If no Tankmix results are available for your combination, you can request a Tankmix test from Yara. First, review the guidance on mixing order. Then add the rates of the products. Provide any additional information if needed, and send your request. For mixes you use frequently, you can add them to favorites, so they're always quick to access. Your favorite mixes can be found in the Past Searches tab. Thanks for using YaraPlus.